Hey everyone, we're going to give you a quick update video on the ATC110 project. So we basically got torn all the way down to the frame and the forks, and some of the parts actually came in. You can see here, it's not cleaned anything yet, but it's all basically torn down. You can kind of see right there, the forks look a little bent back. I don't know if you can see it from there, but I can see it. They're a little bit twisted or bent to the left that you're seeing right now. Kind of shifted over that way. Got hit like from the left side. And then it's gonna need some new steering bearings. I can't really tell right now, but bearings are shot up there. All the rear's welded, just need to clean it up a little bit. Clean some of the welds up. The rear end's fixed, nice and solid again. We got some of the parts hanging up here. We got these from a guy named Garrett off, I believe, the Honda ATC110 page on Facebook. He says he's a hardtail guy and he has a bunch of parts, so his buddy had a couple of these exhausts laying around, and because this one is completely shot, this is the one that was on Nick's originally. Big old gaping hole, packing coming out of it. I guess this is a common thing from what I see in a lot of exhausts, these kind, cracks around there. And then so I need a little hole in the top. It's all dented right by the end here. A couple cracks in some different spots as well as seen. So this thing's basically junk. And for some weird reason, when Nick and I would work on the 110, decided to take the baffle out just because we wanted to change the sound a little bit, and it made it sound like complete after. So now he's like, well, let's try to find an exhaust with the baffle. So luckily we found something. So yeah, again, we got these two. I believe we're gonna use this one right here, the one on the left. We're gonna use that muffler right there. That's the nicest one out of all three actually, but the nicest one out of the pair. It's got a little crack in the bottom and it's missing the baffle, but otherwise it's in pretty decent shape. And then the other one, this one is cracked up here like the other one was. It's got a hole in the bottom, I believe, just like the other one, rusted out and smashed in, but that one's got the baffle in it. So got a pretty good deal with that. So we're gonna take the baffle out of this guy, put it in that, and I'm gonna try to attempt to take this guard off and put it on this one. Looking at some pictures, I haven't really done too much research on what the 84 exhaust guard is supposed to look like. The one that was on Nick's wasn't even on there. Well, a lot of the 90 and the 110 exhausts were the same, which I'm thinking these are off an older 110, mainly because the angle of the header pipe is a little different than what this 84 stock 84 one is like. So you can kind of see, it might be hard to tell, this 84 one's got a little bit of a different bend to it. But maybe the other one does to the left is the same, but they're kind of a little bit different bends to it. I don't know if they changed in 84. So I'm going to try to attempt to take that exhaust guard off, swap it onto this one. I kind of like the longer guard, Nick does too. Shine that thing up, and the thing is just these screws are so badly rusted. Hopefully I can get them off. I'm going to have to probably cut them off. And then, yeah, we'll do a bunch of shine in this thing, get it painted up. And there's the other set of forks right there. Those are off of 85 110. And these are much straighter than the ones that are currently on it. Pretty nice condition still, a little bit of surface rust, you know, like everything else. But I think she'll do for this project. We'll probably strip that thing down and get that repainted. I want to do a bunch of painting on this. I know Nick was kind of adamant about going really far with painting, but maybe I'll go surprise him with some more. I mean, it's not much. It's not like we have a bunch of parts like that, like the Big Red. You just got this whole tube frame to spray down. It's a smaller three-wheeler as well, so that should work out. And then some of the parts sitting over here, the grab bar that I ended up getting. the correct grab bar for it. It's off 84, or maybe it's off an 85, but it is the same generation for this 110. It'll fit good. Original tail light and tail light lens. Look at that. It's got the old wheelie scratch marks on there that Mr. Preston likes to talk about.
Good way when you're buying a machine, just, you know, you can do it subtly. You just walk up. It's like, yeah, this is a really nice machine. And you could just do one of these maneuvers. And that tells you.
It's a little bit of a mess in my parts shelf here. Yeah, I got my Mr. Curdy's carb rebuild kit there. Oh, we got the trailer hitch. Parts flying everywhere. My apologies. I got this as well. This was kind of a little bonus item that wasn't on the 110. I'm debating if it's a Honda line hitch or it's just an aftermarket hitch. Reason why I flipped it over, I did purchase this from Minnesota. Looks like it says looks like that was, I don't know if someone just slapped the sticker on there. These welds don't really look too nice. I mean, it doesn't really look that homemade, but maybe it is. But unless it broke and they had this company re-weld the pieces on there. I don't know. So you guys tell me what you guys think it is. So we're gonna slap that guy on there, get that all painted up when she's done. And we ended up getting a new pull rope handle. Way nicer condition than the one that's currently on it. That thing's all had better days. And then dirty motor. So anyways, that's the quick little update of the 110 project that we got going on. Just kind of holding off right now. I'm working on it. We're actually prepping for Tip Up Town coming up this weekend. As you guys can probably see, I already have a sneak peek of the AT ski with the tracks on there. Hopefully I can get the video uploaded of how far we've already come with that and get a reveal video going. It's gonna be kind of all over the place. I think I want to try to reveal it up at Tip Up Town to everyone, and then we'll just kind of do a little bit of a progress video before that, hopefully. But right now, just kind of working on getting some prepping done for Tip Up Town, getting some tools and stuff packed and ready. The ski is all fabbed up, ready to go at Nick's house. It's painted as well. So we get the trailer loaded up and head up there Friday night and go have some fun out on the ice. So hope you guys are liking this kind of stuff. We really appreciate everyone's love for our videos. We've been enjoying doing it so far. We love showing our favorite things, three-wheelers and power sports and everything else that we do. So hope you guys enjoy this stuff. Please like and subscribe if you guys want to see anything coming in the future. So thank you.